So, Dina, paano mo nagawa yung stats mo last game na isa ka sa mga nag-step up?
Siguro it comes with training kasi syempre inaaralan namin yung magiging kalaban namin, and at some point andun naman yung mga coaches and teammates na i-guide ako kung ano or paano gagawin, and syempre I was also focusing on the game itself, sa sarili ko na kung